Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make green salad with spinach. First, gather your fresh spinach, approximately 5 ounces, and any other vegetables you love, like cherry tomatoes or cucumber. Next, decide on your dressing. A simple lemon vinaigrette works wonderfully. Make sure all your produce is thoroughly washed and dried before you begin. This preparation ensures a crisp and delicious salad. Properly washing your spinach is crucial for a great salad. Gently rinse the spinach leaves under cool, running water, ensuring all grit is removed. Then, use a salad spinner to get them as dry as possible. This prevents a watery dressing. For extra crispness, you can even pat the leaves with a clean paper towel. Dry spinach helps the dressing adhere better. Now for the fun part, assembling your salad. In a large bowl, combine your perfectly dried spinach with your prepared vegetables. Feel free to add some extra crunch with toasted nuts, seeds, or even a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese. Gently toss all the ingredients together, ensuring everything is well mixed before adding the dressing. This creates a beautiful and balanced base. The final step is dressing and serving your delicious spinach salad. Drizzle your favorite dressing over the salad right before you plan to eat it. This prevents the spinach from becoming soggy. Give it one last gentle toss to ensure every leaf and vegetable is perfectly coated. Serve immediately to enjoy the freshest flavors and crispest textures. Enjoy your easy, homemade green salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.